Hello and welcome to the Lurgan District Learning Centre's video on how to set up a Google account. So to set up your Google account, first you want to go to www.google.co.uk and type this into your search bar at the top to take you to the Google homepage. In the top right hand corner you'll see a number of different options: Gmail, images, 9 squares and the blue sign in button. So we're going to click on this blue sign in button, which will take us to a box like this. If you don't have an account, you'll have a box which will pop up like that, and we'll click on the blue create account link. So it will give you a couple of options to create an account for myself or to manage your business. You click on this link if you have multiple people, such as employees, using the same account, as it makes it easier to manage. So I'm going to click on for myself. It's then going to ask you to input some details. So your first name and your surname. And then it's going to ask you to pick a username. So try and pick something that is unique. But it will tell you if it's not available or if you've used the wrong combination of letters and numbers. So that seems to be fine. So that's mentorlearning@gmail.com, which will be your email address. Next, we're going to add in our password. So make sure that it's a mix of letters and numbers and symbols to get the strongest password. And once you've done that, then we're going to click on the blue next button. This next page is going to ask you to input some more details. This is useful if your account, to help you to recover your account if you ever need to, but they are optional. So they're going to ask you for your phone number and your recovery email address. So this is a different email address to the one we've just put in. Then it's going to ask you for your date of birth, and this is to confirm that you're old enough to hold account, and a year, and then your gender, so female, male, or you'd rather not say. And then we're going to click on next. Again, this will take you through to the next page, which is the privacy and terms and condition page. And if you scroll down to the bottom, obviously read through it and scroll down, and if we click on the more options button here, it will tell you about the customization, so web activity and ad personalization. So you've got a couple of different options you can click on there. And then we want to click on that you agree to the terms and conditions and you agree to Google processing your information as described. Next, we're going to click on the Create Account button, and that is your Google account created. So we can see at the top here that we have Gmail. That will take us through to our email address, which is just loading. Just now, and so we have an email from the Google community, and it'll show you a little tutorial of all the different aspects of your new Google account. We also have at the top here the 9 squares that we can click on to show us the different Google apps. We will be doing a further video from the Learning Centre showing us the benefits of Google Docs, Sheets and Slides, so make sure that you watch out for that for further information. So I hope you found this video helpful, and make sure you subscribe to see all our future great videos that we have created, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching.